Hello. So, today, didn't do as much studying as I should have. Shameful finger. Anyways, but still got a decent amount done. It's my first day to slow down a little bit before Comic Con, so yeah, before I go back into the ramp up to do lots of studying tomorrow and finish out the costume tomorrow, and yeah. But anyways, so what we did today, so let's see. So we already had the ambient occlusion and normal map, and today we worked on the specular map. So wherever it's dark, it's not going to be shiny, and wherever it's light, it is going to be shiny. And you have to do things in a certain way to get it to pick up right. Um, and if we get in a little bit closer, we can kind of see the detail of the thing. But anyways, the other one we created was or the beginning of the color map. We still have one more tutorial to go through to create the detail of the color map. So this one, it looks kind of washed out, and the whole idea behind it is it's a diffuse map. Well, which is an albedo map. They're kind of the same thing. They're just a color. But what you want to have, normally those cracks you see, oh yeah, I'm pointing at it like you could see where I'm pointing. Anyways, normally you could see those, the cracks and such. You wouldn't see these cracks and such. But because we're going with kind of a video gamey stylized sort of feel, that's why we leave these cracks in. But the whole point of albedo slash diffuse map is to simply have the color. And then the normal map, the ambient occlusion map, and the specular map, those all will take care of adding in the cracks and the lighting. This map is strictly only supposed to have color. Now again, because we're going a little bit stylized, we kept in a little bit of the cracks, right in here. If I can draw on them a little bit, yeah, like there, and there. We kept them in a little bit to make it a little stylized. And also, in order to get to get this map that we multiply down on top, we generated another map in X normal, this one, called a height map, which is just strictly from the lowest point on it is black to the highest point on it is white. And that's what the values you see right there are on and it's generated from the model itself. And then, so far, yeah, here she is. Here's what it looks like with the shininess is only happening in certain areas, and the color's starting to come in. We still got to add in a lot more detail and contrast to the color map, so that's coming. But yeah, it's getting there. Slowly but surely, I would say. This little light. I think if I turn its brightness up, you'll be able to see things a little bit better. Yeah, anyways, so it's slowly getting there. Definitely got a little bit to go. Where are we on this? We're on number 11 of the texturing stylized. This takes a long time. Texturing is something I definitely is a weak point for me, but I'm learning a lot, so that's good. And it's also definitely why I'm going to be probably cheating as much as possible using another program. After I learn this, it'll be good to do it by hand. There's a different program I want to learn how to use called Surface Creator something. I'll get its name for next time or when I start to learn it. Anyways, it takes a single image and helps you get to these maps that we're spending all this time creating. It helps you get to them, the end result, much quicker. So yeah, anyways, that's for future stuff. But for now, that is my few hours I spent on it today. Yeah, Comic-Con's ever looming closer. Yay. So hope everybody had a good Monday. I did. And yes, hope you all have a shiny the rest of what's left of your Monday. Peace. Oh, as soon as I figure out where to stop the video. One more time. There it is. All right. Peace.